Okay, let's start it. January 3rd problem. It's a kinda easy problem. What the problem actually says, uh, in a town there are n people labeled from 1 to n. Okay, there is a rumor that one of these people is secretly the town judge. Okay, if the town judge exists, then the town judge trusts nobody. Okay, and everybody except for the town judge trust the town judge. Okay, there is exactly one person that satisfies the properties 1 and 2. Okay, you are given an array trust where trust I denoted ai bf. Okay, representing that the person label ai trust the person label bi. Okay, return the label of the town judge if the town judge exists and can be identified, or return -1 otherwise. Okay, let's try to explain the what the actually problem says. Pick this example one. There's given n is equal to 2 and trust there's only two person from 1 to n. Here is the n value is 2, so it means it's lie between 1 to 2, and you have given an array which have 2D array which have a matrix of n into 2. Okay, so first first index denoting the other person and the second index denoting the which he gonna trust. Did you get this thing? Okay, this is a simple example. Let's come up to the another example. You're gonna understand more clearly. Here is n value is 3. It means it goes from 1. The how many person is available in the town? It's 1 to n. Here is n is equal to 3, so it means there is a 1 2 and 3. These three people are there in the town, and you have given a trust 2D vector, their first index denoting the person, and second index denoting the uh, first person actually trust the another one. So here's person 1 is actually trust the third person. Here's person 2 who gonna trust to person 3. So in that case, here is the third person actually did not trust anyone. Did you get this thing? If you're not, let me just write the code and then you understand more clearly. Let me take two vectors. Vector 1, it's trust trusts, which size is n plus 1, and another vector is trusted, which values goes from which size is n plus 1. So initially all contain the value 0. Okay, so what am I supposed to do? I'll just iterate the 2D vector. Just write the trust is denoting from t and trust. But my first duty is to uh, if person trust, I'll just write the first index. If the person trust this t0 person is trust to anyone else, just like this one is trusted to someone, these two trusted to someone, so that things happen. So I'll just write uh, t sorry 0 and plus plus. I'll just enhance this thing and trusted. Who gonna trusted? In this case 3 is gonna trusted. In this case 3 is gonna trusted. So in that case I'll just write who gonna trusted. So I'll just make it trusted. Trusted is going to contain t1 plus plus. So it kinda do everything, and I have to check only one thing. If int I is equal to from 1 till I equal to n, if anyone who did not trust to who did not trust to anyone, so it means uh, trust I equal to 0, it means it not trust to anyone, as well as but he gonna trusted by everyone. So he gonna trusted by everyone. If I got this value, if it present, it means I got my town judge. If it's not present, that means there is no town judge is available. So I'll just return, in this case, return -1. So let's run the code. It's kind of work or not. Okay, this I'll do some t0 t1. Oh, 0 t1. Okay, vector of int trusted. Oh, there's a spelling mistake. Let's again run this code. uh, okay, now everything is fine. Mhm. Well, that's accepted. Let's submit the code. What will be gonna be response? Yeah, that accepted. Okay.